Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. It's time to do the recap. This is the recap for Monday, February the 24th. And as you can see, we had a nice green day. Honestly, just I'm just very happy with overall how the day went. On our Apex accounts. So let's start with our Apex accounts. Let's start all the way in the beginning. I did take one trade right here in the Sunday evening open. Just really like this price action. Took a trade right here and basically locked in about $140 right here on this trade. And then in the morning session, I was trying to learn my lesson from Friday. Again, we had a big sell-off right at the open. And if you remember Friday, for some reason, I was just so biased. I couldn't get my bias switched for some reason. And instead of going with the trend, I was trying to pick bottoms and, excuse me. And honestly, I'm very lucky, I feel like, that I didn't suffer bigger loss on Friday than what I did. But we took our first short entry right here. Our first target was hit. I stopped out on the runner. Just did not like this price action. Kind of got scared. I was definitely trading a little bit scared this morning, which I don't like when I do, as is evident right here. We took another short entry right here. And this trade, I just got scared. I literally got scared of it. And I closed the trade prematurely and could have easily held. My stop was above here and could have easily held and gotten both my targets, but I didn't. But to my benefit, I did re-enter a short, and then I finally held. We held first target and we held our final target. Basically, we were looking for a double bottom all the way down here. And I was very happy with the trade. And then we started going higher. But after that, I was basically done trading my funded accounts for the day. I was pretty happy with where we were at. But I did kind of shift my bias to the long side. As you can see, I also did pass. Yay, let's go. I did pass two Tradeify advanced accounts. I prefer the advanced accounts over the growth accounts, just a personal preference. So that's actually right here, those trades. We took, I think we had like 3,700 in profit when I ended stream. I think I ended stream somewhere here. And then I got basically finished that eval right here, and then the final one was right here. So yeah, we passed it in one day. $6,000 profit in both accounts. Let's go. I'm very happy with that. So tomorrow we'll be back to having 5 Tradeify accounts. Obviously, the three that we have. Actually, let's jump into the 3 Tradeify accounts, and we can show that trade. Basically, it was one trade, and it also happened this morning. Let me make this smaller. So this happened also this morning. Similar trade as what we took. Similar trade as what I took on the Apex accounts. My Apex accounts, I took the trade on this move. My Tradeify accounts, I took the trade on this move. So yeah, got in with two minis. Took the first target up here and second target right here. And basically locked in a little bit over $400 in profit on those 3 accounts. Again, very happy with that. And I'm just going to lock it down. I actually kind of made a mistake on those Tradeify accounts. I thought you needed to have 4,500 in profit for the next payout request, which is the case if you purchase new accounts. But because I purchased these Tradeify accounts way back in the end of November, I was grandfathered in where you actually don't need to get 4,500 in your next go around. I could have just racked up basically 5 days of $250 or more and 10 traded days overall. And I could have requested again, but I'm fine this way too. Basically, we had one day where we had 900 in profit on all three accounts. So that $900 means in order to stay under the 20% consistency rule, we do need to make 4,500 on these accounts. So right now we're about $1,500 away from being able to request a payout again on these three accounts. But we still need to trade for, I think, 6 more days. So we have 6 days to make $1,500. I'm going to just take it easy, not do anything too crazy. I'm going to look for like $300 days, $200 to $300 days. If I can lock in $200 to $300 days, then we should be good with that, and we should be able to secure a payout. Now, on these Apex accounts, very happy with, we didn't quite make back our loss from Friday, but a really good day. And again, I'm just trying to focus on taking good trades. That's the main thing. Excuse me. The main thing I'm trying to focus on these these Apex accounts is just, as I get closer to payout, I definitely am starting to feel it a little bit. The pressure is mounting, and I'm having a harder time staying in my trades, and just got to work on it. We're going to push through, and if we start making some very bad choices, then I'm going to break out these accounts and trade them 2 by 2. But for now, I'm going to keep trading 6 at a time and try to take only good setups and leave it at that. Hopefully we can get those accounts to a payout at the same time as these Tradeify accounts. That's kind of my goal. That would be, if we could do that before the end of, we could do that the 1st of March. It would be a very, very nice start to my March, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, that pretty much wraps it up for the day. Thanks again. Thanks all for the support, and appreciate every one of you. Hopefully you all had a green day as well. And we'll be back tomorrow. Take care, and God bless.